Nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Sorry, the person driving by just reminded me of Sinead O'Connor. Is that how you say it? Sinead? Sinead O'Connor? Sinead O'Connor? You know those words that you never really say them out loud? You always just kind of think of them in your head? I guess that's a name that I've never really said out loud. It's Sinead O'Connor. Sinead O'Connor. Sinead? Who the hell knows? I'm sure she knows, and, you know, her parents, because they probably named her. Slow dude. Sinead. I think it's Sinead O'Connor. Pretty sure it's Sinead O'Connor. So, on my way to Harley right now, the dealership, because, hey, Aaron's got a little gift for me. Apparently one of you guys out there lives down in Kissimmee, and you came up to this dealership even though it's further away from you instead of going to the South dealership. So you came to the I-4 location of Orlando Harley, and you talked to my man Aaron, and you basically told him the reason you bought an iron is because of my videos. So that's pretty cool. So I'm curious, because I hear this often, but how many of you guys out there have basically bought a Harley Davidson or bought a motorcycle in general because of the channel, because of me talking and riding motorcycles? How many of you guys out there have done that? I would kind of be interested to know what those figures are, because yeah, I get that message to me like quite a bit, and that's like, it's always really super awesome to hear. So I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the channel and feeling influenced enough to get into motorcycles and, you know, basically live this two-wheeled life. It's warm. All right, I'll be right back. I film your art plenty.
Again?
I especially like it when he's on video, and I'm like, why'd you take those Sportster, bro? So I had to back up a little bit for the handover. Oh, this is what happens when you say I bought a bike because of Blockhead. Thanks, bro. So yeah, it's pretty cool if you guys come up to Orlando Harley and tell them you're buying a bike because of me, because of the channel, because of Blockhead or whatever. They help me out by throwing me basically like a referral. Hey, Aaron actually said there's another person coming up because of the channel, which is pretty cool. And I'm definitely grateful. Anyways, we're just gonna make this one a super short one because I'm kind of curious, were you guys influenced to either buy a Harley Davidson or motorcycle in general because of the channel, or have you been influenced because of the channel to upgrade or trade your bike in based on something else I've possibly test ridden or, you know, done a review on, etc., etc. So yeah, if you guys could do me a favor, post up in the comments below and let me know one of two things. One, has the channel influenced you to purchase a motorcycle? And if it has influenced you to purchase a motorcycle or trade a motorcycle or upgrade or something with motorcycles, let me know what you got. Harley Davidson, sport bike, Honda, Grom, whatever, I don't care. But yeah, let me know if it's had that influence on you guys, because I know a ton of people have commented that, so it's always really cool to hear. Actually, in a recent video that I posted up saying that I was like grateful and thanking you guys for all of the opportunities that you've given me through hitting the subscribe button. P.S. if you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah, all the opportunities that you guys have given me because of supporting the channel, subscribing to the channel. A lot of you guys ended up posting in that video that y'all were thanking me back, which is pretty cool. Definitely wasn't expected. But a lot of people were thanking me back because the channel influenced them to get a motorcycle, get a Harley Davidson, get an iron, get a sport bike, get a whatever. Which is awesome, man. It's always awesome to hear. Anyways, it's a long lunch break, dude. Need to get back to work. That's where I'm on the way back to work mode. Boo. Just need to get to a tipping point already where I just do motorcycles full time. That'd be cool. Just, you know, ride around, motorcycle stuff. I guess that's the signal for motorcycle stuff. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Like I said, be sure to post up your comments in the comment section below. Have you been influenced, etc., from the channel? Yes. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so you send notifications of future uploads, be part of the notification squad. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, stay out of that traffic. Ugh. Stupid construction on this road, man. It's gonna be nice when they're done, but in the meantime, we got road like that, which sucks. Anyways, catch you guys later. Deuces.